What's the meaning of cannily? Cannily. Cannily.
Cannily. Cannily. Cannily is an adverb that means to act shrewdly or carefully in a deceptive or strategic manner. It implies a high degree of perceptiveness, cunning and intelligence in assessing situations and making decisions. When someone acts cannily, they are generally able to take advantage of opportunities while avoiding any potential pitfalls, often in a way that appears effortless and natural. This term suggests an ability to anticipate and respond to future events with calculated precision, often leading to positive outcomes for those who display canniness.